Okay, earlier y'all knew that the I showed y'all the bullet hole. I showed y'all that the door wouldn't open, so I ran to the junkyard and got a handle. Now the door opened with no problem. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this bullet hole fixed. We'll take a heat gun and heat the rest of that up. All right, we got the first coat of fiberglass on. We're gonna go ahead and let this harden up halfway, and then we'll shape it. Then once we shape it, we'll put some bondo on there. And then after we put the bondo on there, we'll go ahead and start feathering it, and then maybe paint it tomorrow. Let's get this sanded down. Let's go ahead and put a coat of mud on it. I'm gonna put this mud on the way I'm gonna put it on when I sand. I should only have to put one more coat just to get all my scratches out. And then I'm gonna feather it. I put it longer. I spreaded it more than the little dent was here because it sinks in a little bit all the way around. So that way, like a fish tank, see how the rocks go? And then at the last one, it levels out, but you see all the design. Basically, that's how metal do the same thing. So I'm using the filler to fill all of that to make that even. You let this dry. Let it dry for about 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and sand it. That's it. It's done. Alright, that's it. It's done. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the rest of this glue off. That way I can feather and work on getting my scratches out. Say this coat is just a thin coat. Back off anyway. Now we'll sand that down with 80. That's what we're gonna do next. All right, let's get this sanded. Okay, that's done. Let me get some 180. Let's go ahead and get this, like I told y'all, I'm gonna go from there to there with 180. That's 180, let's hit it. Okay, now let's get some blue. Everything I've done is done. All I gotta do now is prime it. Alright, let's mix up some primer. I'm gonna mix up 4 to 1. That's more than what I need. But I'm mixing 4 to 1, a small batch of 40. The reason I'm doing that is because I need to put some primer on that Mustang anyway. That's the first coat. I'm gonna let that dry, and we'll put 2 more coats on. And then when I come back and block those out, it'll be ready for paint. All right, let's put the second coat on. Look down the side, you don't see no dent, you don't see no wave. And if it is a little wavy, I'm gonna block all that out. That's why I'm putting 3 coats of clear on. 3 coats of primer on it. You look down the side, you don't see that dent. See that? You look down the side, it look very good. So that ain't bad, you know. Okay, took the paper off. So y'all see what I mean when I said I wasn't gonna take the primer all the way up there. You can see it's very light here because I don't want it to be a hard break. See, it's gonna blend very well. So when I sand it, and then remember I was telling y'all about the lip, when I rolled it back, when I sand it, it won't never touch this. And I wet sand everything else. So basically, once I sand this, it'll be ready for paint. So I gotta do that, and then tomorrow I'm gonna fix this and get that taken care of. So, but the main thing is, the main reason it came here is because the door wouldn't open. I got the door to open. Okay. And the second reason it was here is because of the bullet hole, which we all fixed. He dropped it off today, I think at 1 o'clock. I took it apart right away, figured out what was wrong with it, ran to the junkyard, picked up another door handle that was wrong with it. The clip broke, and now knocked out the body work. So if I didn't have to fix that side over there, I can go ahead and, honestly, if I pull this in the shop tonight, I can paint this tonight. But the reason I'm not gonna do it, because I need to paint that other side over there, so I might as well just do both at the same time. But trust and believe, tomorrow I'll be on this tough.